I want to share 4 tips with you for working with thread when you're free motion quilting. Hi, I'm Kim Jamieson-Hirst of Chatterbox Quilts. Tip number 1 is to use good quality thread. Don't cheap out on your thread, you will regret it. Use good quality thread, you won't have thread breaks, you won't have uneven looking stitches. It'll just work out a lot better for you. You've already spent a lot of money on fabric and batting and backing. Well, I guess that's fabric too, right? So don't cheap out on thread. It's one of the least expensive things you use in your quilt. Use good quality thread to get the results you want. Number 2 is for you if you are new to free motion quilting. Use the same thread in the top and in the bobbin. This helps prevent pokies. That's when the bobbin thread is showing on the top. And you won't have to even think about it because you're not going to have any issues because they're both the same color and they're also the same fiber. So use the same thread in the top and in the bobbin, and it will lead to a lot less frustration when free motion quilting. Tip number 3 is to use the right size and type of needle for the thread weight and fiber that you are using. So for example, when you're using metallic thread, there's metallic needles. And if you're using a thin thread, you're going to want to use a smaller needle. Or if you are using a thicker thread, you're going to want to use a thicker needle. And so what do I mean by that? You'll see like 80-12, 90-14, that type of thing. So the smaller the needle size, the 80-12 for example, that's going to be for thinner threads. You go into 90-14 or even higher, that's going to be for working with thicker threads. So get the right type of needle for the thread weight and type of thread that you're using, and that will lead to a lot less breakage and problems as well. And tip number 4 is my favorite one, and that is to experiment. There are lots of different types of threads on the market. There's variegated, there's metallic, different weights of thread as well, different fibers too. So experiment. Try out different ones when you're quilting your project. Have fun, and you just might find your new favorite thread. I've given you tips for working with thread when you're free motion quilting. What about different types of free motion quilting motifs? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Check out this video that has all the helpful information that you need. And for more helpful quilting information, be sure to go to my website at www.chatterboxquilts.com.